November 1st. This is my mom's birthday. My mom was born in 1933. She would have been 90 if she was alive today. Yeah, but we always missed her birthday as a kid. And I think it was because it was the day after Halloween, right? And then we just got so jazzed up by Halloween, and then November rolled over, and then we just would forget about it. We always felt guilty about it, but maybe it was all the candy we had. I don't know. Okay, so welcome to Wednesday, November 1st. The bad news is you're not in class. The good news is you know where to go for help. So what are we going to do today? Our learning targets for today, we're going to set up a table, plot points, draw graphs. We did some of that yesterday. Also, practice graphing decimal values. And our success criteria: can you set up a table? Can you plot points? Can you graph data? And can you find a Desmos table to graph tool? And this one I really like. So the first thing you're going to do on Wednesday, when you come in, we're going to do the FastBridge warm-up. That's going to be 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how long it takes us to get started. Basic just skill review: blue, green, white, and red, and then rotate through second time. And then after that, we're going to look at a formative video review. So this is about 5 minutes, and this is addressing the formative that you took yesterday, and just kind of walk you through it step by step and see if you missed anything and see if you can learn anything for what we did yesterday. After that, we're going to do a project on La Carita, and what we're going to do here, I'm going to share with you this menu on La Carita. Okay. Still have that dry cough, friends. So what we're going to do here is you're going to order dinner for yourself. Okay. And then after you order your dinner for yourself, you have to figure out what your total bill is going to be. And you can have whatever you want. Okay. Then after you figure out your total bill, number one, you have to figure out 15% tip. And then we're going to come up to the big board with your information, and we're going to graph out what does that look like. On the x-axis, we're going to put what is your bill, and then on the y-axis, we're going to put what is your 15% tip. Okay? And then we're going to see if we can come up with some type of linear equation based on the data, and then see if we can extend that graph to figure out other values and other potential tip points of 15% based on a bill. Okay? Now, every time you come up with a different dinner, and every time you figure out the 15% tax, and every time you come up and graph x-axis your bill and y-axis your tip, you get one post-it note with your name on it into the bucket. And then at the end of the day, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of those, and then we're going to have a $25 gift certificate from La Carita. So for whoever I pick. Does that sound good? Okay, so that's the La Carita game. And after that, we're going to get into our ebooks. We're going to go to 345. On 345, we're going to do this problem. We want you to copy and complete the table below for the rule y equals 1/2 x plus 6. So basically, take your number, cut it in half, add 6. Take your number, cut it in half, add 6. Take your number, cut it in half, add 6. Take your number, cut it in half, add 6. Okay? Then we're going to graph those out and see if the point 10, 12 lies on the graph. Okay? That's what we want to do there. Then, after we get done with that problem, we're going to go to 347. And on 347, I'm going to show you this tool. This is the table to graph. So this is pretty cool. I kind of introduced it a little bit yesterday. We're going to walk through it some more so you see how cool this is. But the problem we're going to work out with this one is 347. And it says graph these points, or these equations. Y equals negative 2x plus 7. And also graph y equals 11x. And see if you can figure out those two. I think we'll make those screenshots. Okay. And after that, we have two puzzles to work out together. I'm just going to go around the room step by step. What do you want me to do? What should I do now? And These are both on eTools, so we can work out these on the board. What are we looking for? We want to find out which side is greater. I'd look for 0 pairs, and then we'll run some rules to get tiles up to the top. And here's the second problem. Just like this. Look for 0 pairs, get everything up to the top, and then try to balance it out. See which one is greater. If we finish 3A and 3B after finishing Fast Bridge, the formative review, the La Corrida problem, 345, 347 with 2 screenshots, and 348 A and B, where we can do some Mafia or Gimkit. And then closure, given time, we want to look at a Decimus graphing calculator. Okay? So that's what we are doing on Wednesday, November 1st. Hope you have a good day. I hope you are well, and I hope that we see you on Thursday. Okay? We miss you when you're not here, so we hope you'll be back. All right, friends. Smell you later.